Hi, this is Fed, your content creator slash working mom. For today's video, share ko sa inyo guys ang mga struggle ko sa pagpapaligo ng isang toddler. I know mga kapwa ko mamis dyan is makaka-relate din, di ba? Nagkulang na lang tumagaktak kapag pawisin ka, tumagaktak lahat ng pawis mo after. Parang kailan lang, di ba mga mamis? Parang very delicate pa, karga-karga pa natin sila, tapos may mga bathtubs pa sila no na ginagamit, tsaka may mga net pa dyan na kung saan dyan sila hihiga tapos magbabath, diba? May mga paganon-ganon pa. But now look at them, no, very malikot na and dami ng alam. It's not usually our setup sa bath time ni Arlo. It so happen lang na today very hot talaga and he keeps on playing sa tubig. As you can see, may makikita kayong balde dyan later. Yan yung mga nakataob na ribisco balde, and may dyan pa yan later na balde. He keeps on playing the water inside. Kaya I asked for a cue. I asked him, you want swim? Because he can understand what swim is. Meaning magbabat siya or magpa-play siya sa water. So he's very, kasi si Arlo pag gusto niya like tatango siya or magiging happy yung kanyang reaction. So that is how I know na he wants things. That is my way on understanding what he wants. Ganyan din ba kayo mga nanay? Kasi yung mga anak natin, yung mga toddler natin is hindi pa nagsasalita. So we don't know what they want. We don't know what things they want to do. So usually what I do is I ask for cues. So if they want it or not, so by that time, he wants swim. So, kasi low budget ang ating swimming. So, ayan, labador lang. And, nilagyan ko lang ng tubig. And, yung mga stuff, mga animals, mga dinosaurs niya, nilagay ko dyan para mag-enjoy siya. And, as you can see naman there, no, nag-i-enjoy naman siya. And, while bath, nagtutok-tok, kung anong gusto nyong i-train sa mga anak nyo, sounds, animals, you can actually do that while they're happy, kasi it's very effective. They will really absorb it, and tsaka magko-communicate sila sa'yo, diba? As you can see right now, ayan, struggle talaga yung pagpapabihes, especially yung pagsusuot ng diaper. As you can see earlier sa video, no, kung saan-saan na siya. Umaakyat na kasi yan kung saan-saan. Kaya I know for me it's exhausting, nakakapagod, but it's at the end it's rewarding naman, diba? Na makikita mo yung anak mo na fresh, malinis, mabango. Ay, for me, it's an achievement for the day. Kasi usually, ang aming routine is after bath is magsisleep na yan. After breakfast, kain ng breakfast, bath, or ligo, and then after ligo, dapat matutulog na siya for his first nap of the day. Kasi in a day, he needs to have 2 naps. So that's the first nap, and yan, aboy-aboy is real. Not really sure how you call it, but yes, for us, it's aboy-aboy. And yay, tulog na ang ating batang bulinggit. And after nyan is, that's the time naman na gagawin natin ang mga dapat nating gagawin. Household chores, kung baga. And for example, sa video yan is nakikita nyo, ginugupitan ko si Arlo kasi that day is mahaba na yung kuko niya. Usually, yung paggugupit ng nails is ginagawa ko pag sleep din siya kasi hindi ko talaga yan magagawa guys pag gising siya kasi super likot na niya. Toddler nga, 'di ba? Okay, so sinasabi nila na pagtulog yung anak mo is that's the time na matulog ka rin o magpahinga. But in reality guys, 'di ba, mga kapwa ko mommies makaka-relate na hindi talaga natin all the time nagagawa yan kasi pagtulog lang yung ating mga anak, nagagawa natin peacefully yung mga dapat nating gawin. But it's totally fine if most of the time we don't have self-care anymore or rest na matutulog tayo peacefully na walang naglilikot-likot dyan is it's okay as long as naaasikaso natin ng maayos ang ating mga anak na nakikita natin na all set sila, 'di ba? Nakakatulog, nakakanap, mabango, nakabihis ng maayos and such thing. That's a happy thing na for us as mommies, 'di ba? We're super happy naman. And yan kinuha ko lang siya, it's because i-fix ko lang yung kanyang pagkakahiga sa kanyang aboy-aboy. And yep, as you can see, tatay is there resting as well kasi nakakatapos niya ring gawin yung mga dapat niyang gawin outside. And nilagyan ko lang ng towel ang kanyang likod kasi usually napapawisan siya dyan sa kanyang aboy-aboy kasi nga mainit talaga. And although may electric fan is pinapaandar ko pa rin yung kanyang mini fan kasi nagpapawis talaga siya guys kasi super init. Summer nga ngayon, super init talaga although may electric fan na. Keep going lang tayo mga mommies, and yeah, thank you for watching.